When it comes to upgrading or replacing doors in your Murray home, choosing the right door material is one of the most important decisions you can make. The right choice will impact not just the look of your home, but also its durability, energy efficiency, and security. Murray's seasonal weather, from hot summers to snowy winters, means your doors need to withstand a wide range of conditions. Below, we'll walk through the most common door materials, their pros and cons, and how to choose the best fit for your home. Fiberglass doors. Reliable and weather-resistant fiberglass doors are a favorite for Murray homeowners who want low maintenance and long-term durability. They don't warp, crack, or rot when exposed to moisture, making them ideal for areas with snow and rain. Many fiberglass models are filled with insulating foam, which keeps homes warmer in winter and cooler in summer, reducing energy bills. Another plus is their versatility. Fiberglass doors can mimic the look of wood with realistic grain finishes while maintaining higher durability. If you're looking for a combination of beauty, strength, and energy efficiency, fiberglass is an excellent investment. Steel doors. Maximum security and strength. For homeowners prioritizing security and affordability, steel doors are a strong contender. They are naturally resistant to shrinking, warping, and cracking, making them dependable during Murray's temperature swings. Steel doors are often foam-filled for insulation and come with weather stripping to prevent drafts. They can last for decades with proper care, although they may dent if struck hard and may require repainting to prevent rust over time. For budget-conscious homeowners who also want security, steel doors are a great option. Wood doors. Classic beauty with proper care. There's no denying the timeless elegance of wood doors. They add natural warmth and curb appeal, making them a popular choice for homeowners who value aesthetics. With options like oak, mahogany, and cherry, wood doors can be customized in terms of design, stain, and finish. However, wood doors require more maintenance than fiberglass or steel. Exposure to moisture and extreme temperatures can cause them to warp or crack without proper sealing. In Murray's climate, this means regular refinishing is essential to maintain performance. Homeowners who love the traditional look but don't mind upkeep will appreciate the charm wood brings. Glass and patio doors. Balancing style and efficiency. Sliding glass doors and French doors are popular in Murray for allowing natural light and easy access to outdoor spaces. Modern glass doors are built with energy-efficient features like double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames, which help prevent heat loss in winter and overheating in summer. For homeowners who want style without sacrificing performance, investing in high-quality glass doors ensures long-lasting comfort and energy savings. How to choose the best material for your Murray home. When selecting a door material, keep these factors in mind. Climate resistance. Fiberglass and steel perform best in Murray's seasonal extremes. Maintenance needs. If you prefer low-maintenance options, fiberglass and steel outperform wood. Style preferences. Wood offers unmatched beauty, while fiberglass provides a wood-like look with added durability. Budget. Steel is often the most affordable, while custom wood and fiberglass can cost more upfront but offer longer-lasting value. Energy efficiency. Look for insulated cores and weatherproofing to cut down on heating and cooling costs. Final thoughts. Choosing the right door material is about more than just looks. It's about protecting your investment, improving comfort, and ensuring long-term performance. For Murray homeowners, fiberglass and steel doors stand out as the most practical, while wood and glass doors bring timeless style when properly maintained. By selecting a material suited to Murray's climate and your lifestyle, you can enjoy a door that looks beautiful, performs efficiently, and lasts for years to come.